You don't have to be an artist to create stunning, realistic portraits. In this easy portrait painting tutorial, I will be showing you some hacks that you can try whether you're a beginner looking to improve your skills or an experienced artist seeking new techniques. And at the end of the video, anyone will be able to make a realistic portrait. The challenges people face when painting portraits are on the first step, proportions and capturing likeness. Grab a pencil and an eraser and make sure you use the method which seems the most suitable for you. Some common and easy drawing methods are side size or using a grid. These are the drawing hacks that can help you in capturing accurate proportions and likeness. Here I use the measurement method in which I just simply double the measurements of the reference photo. Make sure you follow this step before the painting hack that I'm going to tell you. Grab an acrylic color and outline your whole drawing in paint. For the painting hack, choose an earth tone color, cut a piece of cloth, use that cloth to pick your paint and dip it into linseed oil. Mix it and apply it onto the whole canvas. This is called the Imprimatura technique. Now again we will use the same earth tone colors for an underpainting. This will establish a solid foundation for our portrait. At this step, pay attention on the values, lightness and darkness of a color rather than the actual colors. Now let's unlock the secrets to creating lifelike portraits. Firstly, put down all the colors that you can see on the canvas. Use thin washes of paint diluted with turpentine. This will help you in the next steps of formation. Do not worry yourself with details right now. That will be our last step. Once your portrait has taken shape through the thin washes of paint, it's time for heavier applications. You can choose to go as vibrant or as mellow as you like. At every step of color mixing, master the art of blending skin tones for that realistic finish. While blending the tones, now start paying attention towards the details as well. By getting precise, you can achieve maximum resemblance and realism. I never use black for darker tones. It kind of kills the vibrancy of colors. Instead, I always make my own black color. Likewise, I never use white for highlights, except for a sparkle in the eye. With shadows, details, and highlights, we will finalize the overall painting. At this point, you can go as far as you like. The far you go, the realistic it gets. By incorporating these tips into your portrait painting practice, you'll be well on your way to improving your skills and creating stunning realistic portraits. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with the help of these hacks, the sky is the limit for your artistic journey. I challenge you to try out these portrait painting hacks for yourself and share your results in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more art-related content and tutorials. Let's continue to inspire and learn from each other on this creative journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.